Plantago seed is an ingredient used in a variety of natural health products. In this video, let's found. What is psyllium? What is psyllium used for? Contraindication. What are the side effects of taking psyllium? How does psyllium work? How to use psyllium? What is psyllium? Psyllium, or ispaghula, is the common name used for several members of the plant genus Plantago, whose seeds are used commercially for the production of mucilage. Psyllium is mainly used as a dietary fiber to relieve symptoms of both constipation and mild diarrhea, and occasionally as a food thickener. What is psyllium used for? Indications include the treatment of patients needing a high-fiber regime, perhaps for a. the relief of constipation, including constipation in pregnancy and the maintenance of regularity, b. the management of bowel function in patients with colostomy, ileostomy, hemorrhoids, anal fissure, chronic diarrhea with diverticular disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and ulcerative colitis. Contraindication. Psyllium is contraindicated for patients known to have blockage in your bowel, difficulty swallowing, inflammatory bowel disease, phenylketonuria, stomach or intestine problems, sudden change in bowel habits lasting more than 2 weeks, an unusual or allergic reaction to psyllium, other medications, dyes, or preservatives. Side effects. Fiber generally has few side effects. Psyllium can cause bowel obstructions or bezoars if taken without adequate amounts of water. Gas or stomach bloating may also occur. Choking is a hazard if psyllium is taken without adequate water, as it thickens in the throat. Pharmacodynamic. The active ingredient psyllium husk is comprised of the episperm and collapsed adjacent layers removed from the seeds of Plantago afar L or Plantago indica L. Psyllium husk is abundant in alimentary fibers and mucilages, with its mucilage content in particular being higher than that of other Plantago species. Specifically, psyllium husk is capable of absorbing up to 40 times its own weight in water. Psyllium husk consists of 85% water-soluble fiber. It is subsequently partly fermentable, in vitro 72% unfermentable residue, and acts by hydration in the bowel. Gastrointestinal tractility and transit rate is capable of being modified by psyllium husk biomechanical stimulation of the gut wall as a result of the increase in intestinal bulk by water and the decrease in viscosity of the luminal contents. Mechanism of action. Psyllium seeds are composed of dietary fiber which, when mixed with water, forms a gel-like mass that works as a mild laxative. This gel-like mass subsequently moves down a patient's digestive system and makes stools softer by increasing their water contents. At the same time, psyllium seed lubricates the intestine, which improves the transit of stools. Moreover, as the presence of the gel-like mass increases the stool bulk, it also increases the tension and/or the stretch stimulus in the bowel wall, which serves to trigger bowel movements. The dietary fiber of which psyllium husk is composed is fermented to various degrees, bacteria in the colon, resulting in production of carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane, water, and short-chain fatty acids, which are absorbed and brought into the hepatic circulation. In humans, such fiber reaches the large bowel in a highly polymerized form that is fermented to a limited extent, resulting in increased fecal concentration and excretion of short-chain fatty acids. Half-life. The half-life of psyllium husk is not formally documented at this time. Regardless, because psyllium husk is largely not absorbed when administered, it is believed that the drug may not exhibit any kind of half-life. Dose. Usual adult dose for constipation. Daily fiber. Adults 19 to 50 years, male, 38 g/day, female, 25 g/day. Pregnancy, 28 g/day. Lactation, 29 g/day. Dose. 1 to 2 rounded teaspoonfuls, 1 to 2 packets, 1 to 2 wafers, or 5 to 6 capsules orally with 8 ounces of fluid 1 to 3 times a day. Usual adult dose for irritable bowel syndrome. Daily fiber. Adults 19 to 50 years, male, 38 g/day, Female, 25g/day. Pregnancy, 28g/day. Lactation, 29g/day. Dose: 1 to 2 rounded teaspoonfuls, 1 to 2 packets, 1 to 2 wafers, or 5 to 6 capsules orally with 8 ounces of fluid 1 to 3 times a day. Safety advice: bulk-forming laxatives such as psyllium, Metamucil, Konsyl, others, and polycarbophyll, Fibercon, equilactin, others, are typically considered safe to use during pregnancy because they aren't absorbed by the body. That's all the information about psyllium we collected. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the HeInfo channel if you like this video to update more health information.